So welcome friends, welcome to Tailwind app tutorial for beginners. If you are a Pinterest business owner, this video is only for you, because in this video I'm going to show you how to use Tailwind app for business owners on Pinterest, because this will help you bring thousands of clicks organically from your Pinterest profile without spending hours of work creating pins and scheduling them, because this tailwindapp.com will do high lifting for you and heavy lifting for you, because this will create AI powered pins and then schedule them in a single click. Just wait a bit and I will show you each and everything about this tool in this video. So first of all, grab the link of this tool from description of this video. You will find this link of this tool in description of this video, which is Tailwind app. And after that, after creation of your account, you will see all these options right here: pin scheduler, dashboard, routes, create, ghostwriter, and I will go through each and every option right in this video. So subscribe this channel and create new account of Tailwind app from description of this video. So I repeat, create new account for better performance and a better viralability and visibility. Just wait a bit, I will show you each and everything. So first of all, what we have to do is we have to create our pin in order to schedule that for future. For example, we need AI powered pin in a just single click, and after that we will schedule that pin. So for that, just tap at this create, and for this video I am taking example of bedroom decor ideas, and as an instance, take this as my account. This is as my website, which is Dreamy Cozy Bedroom Ideas to Inspire Cozy Retreat. So I will copy the URL of my blog post, whatever your blog post is. Copy that URL, head over to this create button, and you have two options right here: site photos or stock photos. So we are going to use site photos. If I have entered my blog URL here, and this will start creating Pinterest pins for me here. Now I can select multiple photos in single pin, but for this video I will go with one pin. Then categories, you can change category, content, and then for example there is a blog post, so I will select blog post and these pins will be created according to that. Now I need images for these. You can see for all these pin designs, background images needed. You can see there is blank on background. So all these images are fetched from my website. All these images can be found on this blog posts. So what I will do is I will select, I think this is going to be the better one. So I have selected this one, you can see, and then this will be applied to all these pins created right here. So after that I have another option. So just wait for some seconds and then this will be applied. If you don't like these pins from all these images fetched from your blog post, you can use stock photos as well. Search for any stock photo and it will be right up here. So after that, what you have to do is tap at this text button, and you can change the fonts. Okay, so all fonts are available here for you. So for example, I want to go with Alpha Slab one, and this will be selected. Yeah, you can see all these changed. Yeah, these are changed now. Now the next thing is color palettes. So color palettes can be changed also. So I will go with a good one. Yeah, sunset, no, electricity would be better one, so I will go with this one, and you can see all these designs changed. Then branding, good housekeeping, all around you will see good housekeeping, because I have selected my brand name as good housekeeping. So this is it about our creation of a Pinterest profile, Pinterest pin. And the internet is a little bit slow, that's why these images aren't working, but I will try my best to keep these. If not, you can upload your image as well. For example, I will go with stock photos and home decor. For example, this is I want to select any stock photo. Just wait for some seconds. For example, this is what I liked. I will tap at this one, and this will be applied over here. You can see this is applied. Now what I can do is select all these. I can select all these pins and schedule them, but for this video I go with this one. Then whichever pin you like, just tap at this select button, and you will see this pin. We just want to pin this, so we don't need all these Facebook feed and the Instagram story. Just tap at review designs. Just wait for some seconds. Then we'll deselect this one because this was created some seconds ago. Then go schedule this one. Then you can select whatever your profile. You can select multiple profiles. If your account is upgraded, my account is free. I highly recommend you to go with upgraded account at first, because this will help you 10x your views. Then tap at confirm after selection your profile. Wait for some seconds, and this will let us create Pinterest pin and schedule instantly without leaving this Tailwind app. So this is the power. You can see Pinterest pin and Pinterest, this pin title and description has to be written. So I can change the image, pin image right here, but I will go with ghostwriter, and I am posting about informational content. Then title, you can add title or add keywords or phrases, and or you can add call to action. So I will go with this. I think this is my title, so I will enter my title, and let's AI generate Pinterest description for me. Just wait for some seconds. I can also add call to action, but I want to add that one as for right for now. Just wait for some second. Look into create ultimate cozy treaty, but feeling restricted by your small. Then just save detail, and you can see this has been now automatically my website URL has been fetched, and just I have to select my board. So from all these boards, I will go with this board. Then tap at this little icon and schedule my time. Then tap at schedule, and this would be scheduled. So this is the easiest method. You can see your live here. Please upload a pin to begin. So my Pinterest pin has been scheduled. I can generate pin right here. You can see what is URL you want to generate pin from, like what I said. Just I will show you another option from another website. Yeah, you can see this is the designs. I think, yeah, these are the designs. I will enter the URL here and generate Pinterest pin, and this is going to be find my website ikea.com. This is some random website I'm just showing you, and this will take 3 credits. So I have currently 5 credits for this for posts, and 2 will be taken away from me. Then we have another option, which is Ghostwriter AI. Here you will find all these tools and options. For example, YouTube video title, TikTok video promotion, email subject lines, and Shopify listings, Squarespace listing, and generate social media posts from URL, which I just showed you in Pinterest. You can create Instagram pages, captions, Pinterest pins, and all these things. So this is all about using Tailwind app Pinterest tutorial for you. So thanks for watching this video.